Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I recently went to Aqua Imagicaa, which is one of the most famous and the best water parks located at Khopoli on the outskirts of Mumbai. I had a lot of fun there and I want to show you in this video the 15 best water slides and rides at Aqua Imagicaa along with their difficulty levels. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
15 best rides of Aquaimagica. The Pirate Bay. Mini slides, water toys and playful characters are all a part of this all-in-one wonder ride. You can experience many inner tube slides with gentle speeds and slopes into shallower pools. Very much recommended to enjoy with your little ones. Zooballoo. Next to the Pirate Bay is an installation of 5 fun wild animals who play music and splash water on you. But when I went to the park, this splattering wonder was shut. Floatsa. Just laze around on your tube in the floating, lazy river and relax with your friends. Splash. Splash has a few steep bumps and turns but is fairly easy and can be a ton of fun. I guess this was the easiest water slide for adults according to me. Soakerz. This is quite like Splash but with some spins and twirly falls. As it has a few spins, I have given it a medium difficulty rating. Rain Dance. The ultimate artificial rain with some quirky music. Bring in your friends and dance to your heart's extent. Wacky Wavess. The huge pool with light sea-like waves forming every minute. Ride those waves together with your friends. Go with the Flow Weekender. Located inside Wacky Wavess is a fun pool area full of energetic music and lots of fun meant for you to go with the flow during the weekend or not. Boomerango. Now the levels of difficulty will increase. Get a sense of weightlessness with your friend and drop down this fun slide. Yellow. Yell with joy as you slide feet first through an epic series of twists and turns clocking super high speeds. This ride was also shut during my visit. Zap Zoom. Grab a mat and race with your friends in this high speed slide. Get lost in a swirl of color as you speed down this multi-lane enclosed flume. Loopy Woopy, one of the most difficult rides at Aquaimagica, has a few unique restrictions in place. This ride strictly requires each rider, both male and female, to be in a one-piece swimwear, as you are going to zoom through a 39 feet free fall drop with no tube or mat to hold on to. Swirl Whirl. This fun ride takes 4 riders through many twists and turns, flowing towards the end of the funnel where after 4 to 5 near vertical oscillations, you plummet into the core opening. The Screamer. The Screamer shakes riders up with a series of twists, turns and oscillations. It does take a long queue to access the rides, especially on weekends. Kiddie Pond, appropriate for your little ones to have a share of fun and enjoyment with simple slides and shallow waters.
So guys, it was so much fun at Aqua Imagicaa. Now, The rides which I have categorized as very easy in this video are generally open to all and children and adults alike, with no or minimum restrictions in place. But as the difficulty levels get higher, there may be a few restrictions. But if you are of sound and able body and weight and height, then you don't need to worry at all. But if you have any physical ailments like high blood pressure, heart disease, neck injury, back injury, or pregnancy, then you may not be able to access a few rides, especially the difficult ones like the screamer. So do observe your safety and access the rides. If you have any of these ailments, you can enter the park. They will not stop you, but they will just not allow you to access any of the rides. Also, there are height and weight restrictions which are different for every ride. So do take care and enjoy yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which is your favorite ride at Aquaimagica. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous video at Imagica. Please do check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.